What's the meaning of clapping? Clapping. Clapping.
Clapping. Clapping. Clapping is the act of repeatedly hitting one's palms together to create a sound. Typically performed as a form of applause or appreciation, it is commonly seen in social gatherings, performances, and sporting events. The result of clapping can vary depending on the intensity and speed of the claps, as well as the number of individuals participating. Generally, a louder and more coordinated clapping creates a stronger sense of unity and support for the performer or event, whereas a slower and quieter clapping may convey a sense of polite acknowledgement or reserved approval.